Hey everybody, it's Jerry. I'm getting ready to show you a simple, quick way to make a fire with your ferro rod. So stay tuned, find out what it is. Alright, everybody knows how to strike a ferro rod. This is something quick, simple, just a Jerry's quick striking tip number one. I've got a piece of cotton here that I tore out of my dust mask. It's a pretty simple thing to do. Just going to take a second. Here's my striker. I've got my cotton laid against it on the side that the sparks are going. When you strike this ferro rod, the sparks are going that way, and that's where you want your tinder. Just some cotton, something quick. There it is. She's burning. She's a burner. Burn, burn, burn. That's it. Quick, simple, striking tip. I'm out of here. I got things to do. I am building more knives. I know you guys are probably tired of watching my knife builds. Check out that one. Oh yeah. Got to work on the handle a little more. Handle's just a little too wide. Work on that sucker a little bit more. I've already heat treated it, but I won't have to do it again. So, after I work on the handle. I got a few more knives coming along. I'm gonna wait until I've got a few of them to send out to Will from Just In Time Prepping. Everybody go check them out. I'm not making these knives to sell, but you might could talk to Will, and if you're wanting one, you might could talk to Will and work out a deal with him. But they turn out awfully good. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'll see you guys later. Oh, one more thing. Green Wizards giveaway. There's only like 2 weeks left on it. So if you haven't done your VRs, get out and do them. Share, like, blah, blah, blah. All the whole 9 yards, whatever. And I'm out of here. You guys have a great day.